Okay, the next concentration of the solution is the use of the density and the specific gravity. So na mga problem na given ang kilogram dayon ipasolve sa tuwa ang mole per liter. So we use the density here, and then the specific gravity is also used para mag-calculate of concentration. So let us remember the density of water. So at 4 degrees Celsius, we have 1.00 gram per ml. And then at 20 degrees Celsius, we have 0.99821 gram per ml. Okay, so let us have calculation. So calculate the molar concentration of HNO3 or nitric acid in a solution that has a specific gravity of 1.42 kilogram per liter and 70.5% HNO3. So, unsaon ta man ipag-calculate? Let us remember nga ang molar concentration, molar solution, molarity, parehara na sila. So, unsa ganito ang unit na to for molar concentration? Molarity is equals moles per liter. So, now, let us think unsaon na to para makakuha ta og moles per liter. Of course, moagi gid ta og grams. Dayon using the grams, mag-agi pud ta og molar weight. Okay, so now let us try. So let us first maguna ta sa given. So the given is 1.42 kilogram per liter. Dayon kilogram kailangan nato og gram because ang ato ang molar mass kay naka-gram. So let us first convert kilogram to gram. So 1 kilogram is equals 1,000 grams. So convert times 70%. Unsa ganitong pasabot nato sa 70%? Pasabot in every 100 pila man siya. So, kani, in every 100 na atay 70.5 grams. So, this is weight per weight. So, grams. So, in every 100 grams na atay 70.5 grams nga nitric acid. So, ibutang nato diri 70.5 grams in every 100 grams. Okay. Times. This is grams naman. So, unsaon nato para makakuha ta og moles? Of course, gamito nato ang molar mass. So, the molar mass is 63.0 gram in every 1 mole. So, using this one, ma-solve na nato ang molarity. So, we have the liter here. Cancel out the kilogram, cancel out the gram, cancel out the gram. So, ang mabilin sa tuwa kay mole per liter. So, makuha na nato ang concentration in molar concentration. Okay, input using your calculator. So, makasolve ta ani og 15.9 mole per liter of HNO3 or 16 molar. So, kani nga problem kay gitagaan ta niya og specific gravity. Dayon gitagaan pud ta niya og percent. Dayon gi-calculate nato ang molar concentration. Mura siya og conversion from one concentration to another concentration. Basta i-remember lang ninyo nga pag percent ang gihatag in every gid na siya, in every 100. Dayon if na specific gravity, then use the specific gravity. Pag wala siya naka-gram, then convert to gram. Dayon para makahimo tag moles per liter, dapat gyud from gram ato agad siyang i-multiply by your molar mass para makakuha ta og mole. So this is molar mass. Si molar mass gid ato ang source of mole nga unit. Okay, next example. Calculate the molarity of a solution that is 39.77% H2SO4. The specific gravity of the solution is 1.305 kilogram per liter. Okay, so for this one, again, start with the given. So we have 1.305 kilogram per liter. This is kilogram, so convert to gram. So 1 kilogram is equals 1,000 gram times natay percent nga given. Again, ang pasabot gali sa percent, this is weight per weight. So in every 100 gram naatay 39.77 gram na sulfuric acid. So we have here 39.77 gram per 100 gram of solution times, this is molarity. So use the molar mass. So we have here the molar mass 98.079 gram dayon 1 mole. So cancel out the kilogram, cancel out the grams. So mabilin sa tua mole o liter. So the answer for this one is 292 mole per liter of sulfuric acid. So following the significant figure again, the lowest. So this is 4. Kani kay 4 pod. Kani wala ni siya appeal because this is molar mass. Infinite ang mga molar mass. So we have 5.292 molar of H2SO4. Okay. Another example. Convert daw weight per weight percent to molarity. Similar using density. So ganiha kay iyang gigamit kay specific gravity. So karon gamito na to ang density. So unsa pag-solve? We have here 28% weight per weight. Again, pag naay percent in every 100 nga solution, pila man siya. So for this one, we have 28. So 28.0 gram per 100 gram solution. This is weight per weight, so gram per gram na siya. Times, unsaon na to para makakuha taog liters since ang molar concentration kay mole per liter. So, kaning mole, okay ra, makuha ta man ni gamit ang molar mass. So, makuha na to gamit ang molar mass. And then, for liter, let us use the density. Okay, sa density, 0.899 gram per ml. Pero kay naka-ml man ni siya, multiply na to again to liters. So, 1,000 ml, 1 liter. Ay, nabalik. Ay, tama diyan. 1 liter times, so, gikan sa gram, use the molar mass. So, the molar mass for NH3 kay pilang molar mass ng NH3? We have N 14.01 plus 1.01 times 3. This is 3.03. So, 17.04 gram per mole. So, use the molar mass. So, we have here 17.04 gram. We have 1 mole. So, cancel out the gram. ML, cancel out. The gram pod. So, mabinla na taog mole o liter. So, pila answer for this one? Input using your calculator. So, 14.8 molar NH3. Again, pag naagali mga problem nga wala gihatag ang molar mass, i-calculate sa daan ang molar mass before ta mag-calculate sa molarity. Okay, dito man nato kuhaon ang mole nga units. Okay. So next is the conversion. So karon mag-convert na ta from one unit to another. So we will convert molarity to normality, normality to molarity, molarity to normality to percent weight per weight, ppm to ppb, dayon mig per deciliter to millimole per liter, or mig per deciliter to milliequivalents per liter. Okay, let us first convert normality to molarity and vice versa. So to convert normality to molarity, let us remember the formula. So normality is equals molarity times number of replaceable. So, kung given ta og molarity, dahil ipakalculate sa tuwa ang normality, atuwa na siyang i-multiply sa molarity times the number of replaceable. So, for example, convert the following molarities to normality. So, letter A, 2.5 molar HCl to normality. Again, to calculate, pila ang replaceable ni HCl? 1. So, we have 2.5 times 1 is equals 2.5. Normal. Okay, for letter B, we have 1.4 molar H2SO4 to normal. So, for H2SO4, we have 1.4. Pila atong number of replaceable for H2SO4? Duha. Nara. Is equals pila? 2.8 normal. So again, use the formula kani siya, where N is the number of replaceable. Okay. What if given pod ang mole? Dahil ipakalculate sa tuwa ang normality, pabali. So, for example, we have normality. What if given ang normality? Dayon, pakalculate sa tuwa ang molarity. So, molarity, ato ang i-derive ng equation. So, we can calculate molarity as M is equals normality over the number of replaceable. For example, letter C. I have here 1.5 normal of H3PO4 to molarity. So, what if inani? So, again, use the formula. Molarity is equals N over the number of replaceable. So, normality here is 1.5. Then, the number of replaceable here kay, this is H3PO4, so tatlo. So, 1.5 divide 3 is equals 0.5 molar. So, mauna siya. Okay, next conversion, percent concentration to molarity. So, to convert percent concentration to molarity, again, convert 30% NaCl to molarity. Saan to siya pag-solve? Given percent, remember nga ang percent kay in every 100. Dili malimot. So, 30 grams divide 100 grams. Dayon, kailangan daw natuog molarity. So, kailangan man nato siya og molarity. This is liter, ml pala. And every gram, this is ml. Sorry. Okay. So, saan na ito pag-calculate? Use the molar weight or molar mass times molar mass. So, we have here 58.44 gram mole. So, molarity, mole per liter ang iyahang unit. So, okay na ta sa mole. Kaya na tayo mole dere. How about the ml here? So, para naatay liters, ato siyang i-multiply to the conversion factor. We have the 1,000 ml is equals 1 liter. Cancel out the ml, cancel out the gram. Ang mabilin din kay mole per liter. Pila answer? 5.13 mole per liter of NaCl. Or 5.13 molar. Note ha nga kaning 30% diri kay 30% NaCl solution ni siya. NaCl solution. So naka-ml ni siya, naka-ml. Okay. So next example. convert percent concentration to normality. Kung kaganiha, molarity, karon normality na pod. So, to convert, let us have the equation. So, 3 normal can be, again, normal can be written as equivalents per liter. So, we have 3 equivalents per liter times this is unsa gani siya? Percent weight per volume. So ang weight per volume kay gram per ml. So from liter atwa sa siyang i-convert to ml. So we have 1 liter kay 1,000 ml times again kani kay conversion factor CF conversion factor dayon times the number of replaceable which is pila ang number of replaceable ani 2. So we have 2 equivalents per mole, pero si equivalents kay nasa taas. So, dere, na siya sa ubos dapat para ma-cancel out siya. Times, kay kailangan man na to o grams, dere, grams, at wa siyang i-multiply to molar mass. So, we have here 1 mole, 98 grams. So, cancel out the equivalents. Liter, cancel out. So, mabinlan taog ml. Mole, cancel out. So, we will now have gram per 100. Gram per ml. Okay, so 0.147 gram per ml. So, naanatay kani weight per gram of weight per volume. So, weight per volume 0.147 gram per ml times 100 kay percent man kaya. So, we will have 14.7% weight per volume of H2SO4. H2SO4. Ang technique lang yun sa conversion kay ato siyang huna-unaon na unsa man ang ato ang target units para makabaluta kung unsa atong pang-agian. So kung molarity atong target units, then mag-agi gid ta og molar mass, the grams. Pero kung atong target kay normality, then mag-agi gid ta always sa number of replaceable. And of course, the molar mass. Okay, kani. This is ppm or ppb to molarity. So what is the molar concentration of K plus in the solution that contains 63.3 ppm of potassium ferricyanide? So naa daw siya molar mass nga 329.3 gram per mole. So kani naka-specific nga K plus. Okay, let us first calculate the molar concentration for this one. And then afterwards, kanidayon. Okay, mag-una gid ta permi sa given. So atong given kay 63.3 ppm. Diba? Ato ang gi-mention ganiha nga ang ppm kay equal ra siya to mg per liter. Okay, kay equal ra man siya sa mg per liter. Kaning 63.3 can be written as mg per liter. Okay, so nanatay mg per liter. Molar concentration, M is equals moles per liter. So okay na gid ta sa liter. Now, ang atuang kay milligram. Unya ang atuang molar mass kay grams. So convert milligrams to grams. So we have 1,000 milligram, 1 gram, times the molar mass. Gram dayon 1 mole, 329.3 grams, is equals, we'll answer. So we have 63.3 divide 1,000 times 1 over 329.3. So we have 1.92226 times 10 to the negative 4 mole per liter of K3P iron CN6. Okay. Pero iyang pangutana kay ang K plus lang daw. Pila daw ang concentration ni K plus. So, para makalculate na to ang pila ang concentration ni K plus, ato ara na siyang i-multiply sa kung pila ka buok K sa chemical formula. So, we have here 1.92226 times 10 to the negative 4. This is molarity of potassium ferricyanide, CN6. Okay. Times 3 ka K plus. Pasabot sa ang chemical formula naatay tatlo ka buok nga K, tulo. So we will multiply our molar here nga sa kani nga molarity to 3. So we have 3 in every 1 mole of K3PE CN6. So sa isa ka mole daw ani kay natay tatlo ka K equals times 3. Answer 5.7667781 times 10 to the negative 4 mole per liter of K. Following the significant figure, we have 3 significant figures. So 5.77 times 10 to the negative 4 mole per liter of K plus. Okay, again, to solve this problem, gihatagan ta og ppm, dayon gi-convert na to siya to molarity. So let us remember nga pag ppm equal ra na siya sa mg per liter. Dayon since naka-mg man ni siya, ato siyang i-convert to gram. And then use the molar mass, and then kani kay naka-specific man siya nga K lang daw. So we will count kung pila ka buok ang K atom nga na present sa isa ka chemical compound. If ever ppb na dira, so let us remember nga ppb is equals nanogram per liter. Okay, next conversion, mg per deciliter to milli equivalents per liter and vice versa. So a sodium concentration is reported as 250.00 mg per deciliter. So what is the concentration in milli equivalents per liter? So we have sodium Na+. So the equivalents, the number of replaceable for this one kay 1 equivalents per liter. Per mole rather. Okay, starts with your given 250 mg per deciliter. Conversion factor. So conversion factor for deciliter to liter. So 1 liter is equals 10 deciliter. Dayon 1 gram is equals 1,000 milligram. So kani kay ato sa siyang i-convert times 1,000 milligram 1 gram. Then ang deciliter convert na pod nato to liter. Since from deciliter to liter. Okay, so deciliter. We have 10 deciliter 1 liter. Okay. Unsaon naman day nato ni siya? Sao na to para naatay equivalents. Kay ana man kaya ta equivalents. So para naatay equivalents, multiply na to siya to number of replaceable. So we have number of replaceable nga 1 equivalents per mole. Okay. So calculate this one. So we have 250 times 1 divide 1000 milligram times 10 over 1 times 1. So we have 2.5. So the tawag ni unit for this one kay cancel out the mig, dayon DL cancel out. So mabinlan taog gram equivalents per mole. Okay. So we will now calculate the equivalents. So para ma-cancel out ning gram, we will use the molar mass. So we have 2.5 gram per equivalents mole times 22.99 gram per 1 mole. So makakalculate na rin, this is mole liter. Kaya napa man liter der. So mole liter equals, so 2.5 times 1 divide 22.99, 0.1087, cancel out the mole, grams, equivalents per liter. So dool na ta. Pero yung gipangita kay milli. So again, to convert equivalents to milli equivalents, let us have the formula conversion factor nga 1 equivalents is equals 1000 milli equivalents. Dili ta na siya kalimtan. So our 0.1087 equivalents per liter multiply by 1000 milli equivalents per 1 equivalents equals 108.7 milli equivalents per liter. Again, pag naatay mig per deciliter to milli equivalents, so convert first the deciliter to liter. Dayon ang pag-convert sa mig to milli equivalents kay mig 2 gram 2 gram per mole 2 equivalents per mole. So mao na siya ang pag convert. Okay, next. Convert mig deciliter to millimole per liter. So deciliter to liter, dayon mig to millimole. Okay. Sample problem, a calcium concentration is reported as 10 mg, this is mg class, mg per deciliter. What is its concentration in millimole per liter? So again, let us convert deciliter to liter, dayon mg to millimole. Okay, to convert deciliter to liter, remember nga 1 liter is equals 10 deciliter. Dayon to convert mig to millimole, we have mig. Ato pa siyang i-convert to grams. Dayon from grams, use the molar mass, the gram per mole. Dayon use the conversion factor nga 1 mole is equals 10 to 2000 millimole. Okay, using this guide, calculate now the concentration in millimole. Okay, given 10.00 mg per deciliter. Again, convert deciliter to liter. 10 deciliter, 1 liter. Ang mig, convert sa nato to siya to grams. So, 1 gram kay 1,000 milligram. Times, kay naa naman tayo gram, use the molar mass. Molar mass. Molar mass nato diri is 40. We have 40.08. Nganong na siya sa ubos para ma-cancel out ning nasa taas. Kani. So, 1 mole. Times. Gikan sa mole, kay atwa siyang himuong millimole. So, we have 1 mole, 1,000 millimole. Okay, so using your calculator, calculate kung pila ang concentration in millimole per liter. So, cancel out deciliter. Dayon mig, cancel out. Gram, cancel out. Mole, cancel out. Mabinlan din taog millimole per liter. Answer for this one is 2.495 millimole per liter. So, use this as your guide.